Hi, my name is Emily. I did my case report on Mount Tambora in Indonesia. As I said, it's located in the Indonesian islands, specifically Sumbawa Island. Its crater is massive, reaching 6 kilometers across. So what type of volcano is this? It's a composite or stratovolcano. Now it is considered a caldera for its crater or cauldron-like shape caused by a relatively recent eruption where it lost about 1,000 meters off of its top. It still has been forming lava domes and flows, but these have been mostly harmless. There is a freshwater lake that is forming in a smaller crater. The land is obviously very fertile and has recovered from past eruptions. Its most notable eruption in 1816 saw massive pyroclastic flows, release of tephra and aerosols, and projecting lava bombs. All of this occurs within 150 cubic kilometers. However, the volcano expelled around 60 megatons of sulfur, which reacted in the atmosphere and triggered the summer temperatures to drop significantly worldwide. Hopefully you'll recognize this graphic. The volcano is being formed by heat rising up through the crust of the Eurasian plate, which would be this one. The Australian plate is subducting beneath the Eurasian plate, and they form the Sunda Trench, which has caused volcanoes to form in this area. This volcano is very active. Tambora has caused the largest volcanic eruption recorded in human history in 1816, which is now referred to as the year without a summer. We saw smaller eruptions in 1880 and 1967, and we've also seen recent seismic activity in 2011, 2012, and 2013. The 1816 eruption had massive impacts on both the global environment and humans. The eruption caused vast amounts of gases and tephra to drift into the atmosphere, which resulted in a global 3°C temperature drop. Accounts of piles of volcanic debris, mostly made of pumice, were being found up to 4 years after the event. For humans, the eruption was devastating. It killed around 10,000 people with pyroclastic flows and volcanic aerosols. Tsunamis likely occurred at neighboring islands. Mass amounts of sulfur in the atmosphere caused a decrease in sunlight, which in turn caused crops to fail, and places as far west as Europe and North America were experiencing mid-year winters. Overall, famines and diseases would raise the death toll to over 100,000 people. Thank you guys for listening. Here's my references.